Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully, you are doing absolutely amazing. This is your boy krishush again with another fantastic video. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn about function. What is function? Yes. So let's begin. Okay, sorry. Yeah, the function. It is a collection of statements that performs an specific task. So, as per the sentence, you can understand that the function is a collection of a statement or a bunch of a statement which performs a specific task. It depends on the function's name, what task it will run. So, as you can see on the second, it execute when it is called by its name. Yes, as I told you, it perform what it is depend on what it is performing. So it is totally depend on its name and function's name, what function is for and what it is running. A large program is divided into a group of small building blocks for simplicity, and this buildings blocks is called function. Yeah, after that, after class, the another thing which is known as function and which similarly mostly work like a class itself. Function is also like a class, but yeah, both are different. But it is like a class. You can write it as a class, but the functions are defined like they are defined previously itself, or you can also write user defined functions, or predefined functions are also available in Java. We can call a function again and again. Yes, we can definitely call a function again and again, but for class we cannot call a class again and again. But yeah, we can call for with the help of implementation, but that is a different scenario. And next is the most important feature of function is called reusability. Yes, you can also create your own functions like for addition or subtraction, their functions are predefined, but you can create a function by your own, and that you can run on the program anywhere as you want. The Java library provides many predefined functions. We will see that functions also which is predefined. So as you can see on the syntax path, on the syntax, public void is a normal keywords. Like here, if I will tell you what is the work for public. So public is access specifier. It is a keyword which is used to provide accessibility of a function. There are like three types of access specifiers are there, basically four types: uh, public, private and protected, three, and by default one is four. If you will not write anyone, so by default public will run. So you can say that there are three types of public specifier, sorry, access specifier. And the void is a return type. It is such type of element which indicate that which type of value is returning by this function. Either it is a integer, or either it is a string, or any other thing. That is why we have used void. And after that, 8 is a function which is a predefined function. It works for addition, and you can write here your own code. So as you can see, I have write a program for you. We will not run this program on this video, but in next we will. So as you can see that public void, after that add is a predefined function. We have took an integer which is a b, we have provided the value 10 for b and 20 for c. So after that you can see that a is equals to b plus c. It means 10 plus 20. It will add the both number, because we have used here add function. And here you can see output, the 8 is plus x. It means it will, oh sorry, I think we need to here mention is a, sorry, by mistakenly I have mentioned x, but yeah, you can mention here a, and then you can run the program. You will get the output which will be 30, but for that you must change here x as a as x. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you really have, so please like it, comment below, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you like the video, so please subscribe with YouTube channel so that you will get more updates regarding with Java or more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram, link is in the description. Thank you so much guys for watching this whole video. Bye bye.